Alden itured update and during press conference ng partnership with Myriad Entertainment Corporation ni Alden at ang Viva Group of Companies. Ayun, grabe na si Alden at marami ka matututunan kay Alden. Ito yung video.
Yes, oo.
Sa TikTok, puro inspirational, puro takbo, ganyan, puro fitness. Tapos sa Instagram naman, yan, puro yung mga luho, mga relo, ganyan, kotse, spray. Pero sa Facebook kasi nandun naman yung puro kalokohan.
Yeah.
Pero I watch, yun din. If something that's quite addicting is used for the good, like social media,
Yeah.
it changes lives eh. So, yun lang din. Like, with social media right now, especially po sa mga magulang ngayon, you encourage your kids to have more contents na inspirational and that will make them a better person. Yun, alam ko, nasa panahon tayo ng Gen Z ngayon, woke era, very me, myself, and I, di ba, at some point, but yun, parang ako, as parents, sana kahit paano nag-guide pa rin natin yung mga anak natin when it comes to the consumption of social media. Ano ba yung pinapasok nila sa sistema nila? I'm quite sensitive with that when it comes to my younger sisters. Chine-check ko talaga, sorry, I know it's invasion of privacy, but I wanna see ano ba yung mga nasa-scroll nyo every night. Because it's also a way of protecting them. Kasi paano kung iba na yung iba na yung sustansya na nakukuha nila sa mga reels and sa mga videos na napapanood nila, and it's not for their benefit. So that's how I take care of my siblings, especially our youngest, si Angel. So it's my duty and responsibility as a kuya to make sure that my Gen Z sister will grow up properly. Kasi ang lakas maka-influensya ng social media ngayon. And I don't want that to happen to my sister. Kasi sobrang daming nangangailangan ng tulong in every day, and I think I am here. I think that's my mission. I think that's the reason why the Lord has been blessing me so much, because He knows that I'm just a vessel. I'm a vessel of His blessings para ipamigay ko rin po sa iba. So, ganun eh. Hindi ko sinusolo yung mga na-achieve ko sa buhay in terms of, recognition or material man yan. I'm always, top of priority ko lagi is how can I help? Every day yan. Iisip ako. Kanina nga lang nagkaroon kami ng discussion ni Mama Ten and Kuya Sam. Sabi ko, asan na yung charity natin? Bakit hindi umaandar? Sabi ko, parang kailangan na natin siyang gawin because there's been so many blessings happening right now and kailangan ibigay natin. Sabi, kinukulbit na ako ni Lord sa bago matulog. Ipamigay mo na yan kasi ano lang yan, pahiram lang yan sa'yo. And everything that I have right now, I know that this is just borrowed. We're living at a borrowed time from Him. So, it's up to us, and yun din yung isa sa mga gandang blessings na binigay niya sa atin, is really free will. It's up to us how we want to live our lives. So, choose always good. Choose the good in everything. Parang choose for the benefit of the common good. That's how I wake up every day. That's my motivation. And with this partnership, yun po ang vision namin. Parang ano ba yung pagbabago na pwede nating maibigay sa industriya natin. Yun po. So right now, we have already finished filming yung Death March. This is a film with Scott Adkins and in partnership with Odyssey Pictures. So it's gonna be premiering outside of the Philippines muna. So kasi yun din, may learnings din kami when it comes to producing films na para pala siyang kondo, may pre-selling. So pwede parang i-pre-sold ang films in other countries kahit script pa lang or artista pa lang. So it's also a good learning from us that we are able to venture outside of the Philippines and partner with foreign productions kasi we've had a lot of learnings. Also, there's also one project on the line. It's a Hollywood production and I'm gonna be part of it. It's gonna be very exciting. But I know the actors who's gonna be part of it as well. Pero hindi ko pa po siya pwedeng i-divulge due to an NDA. And aside from that, live events also, we're very much into it. And of course, co-production. We offer a lot of co-production and line production. And maraming projects on the pipeline right now. But meetings pa lang eh. Pag may fine print na, pag may kontrata na po, tsaka ko na siya i-announce. But ang dami pong nangyayari ngayon. It's also especially with Viva right now. course, Out of Order, andyan din, and then may isa pa pong project na medyo confy pa, secret pa, pero
Lumabas na.
parang andyan na rin siya, lumabas na rin siya, pero yun nga, hindi ko pa rin siya pwedeng i-divulge or discuss masyado.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is with your Antrim Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.